Calling all crypto investors. This is definitely a must-have. A cryptocurrency hardware wallet. How's the saying goes? Not your keys, not your crypto. This allows you to set your keys, remove it off of the exchange and onto a ledger that keeps your crypto safe. It's easy to use. You simply connect the ledger to your phone. Of course, you have to download the app, but simply connect the ledger to your phone. You have a safe pin. And after you connected it, you can see where all of the different cryptos come up. You can also add and delete cryptos through the app on your phone. And I feel like this is just the safest way to keep your crypto, especially if you're investing a lot of money. It's just best to keep it safe. Better safe than sorry. It also has different apps, the news. You can hook it up with the cord or Bluetooth.